Hi everyone. I want to make a quick little video here to talk about some of the updates I have done to our calculus class. So if you're with me last semester for Math 181, Calculus 1, we use Lumen for our book, Lumen Online Homework Management System. And this semester, as you probably noticed from the bookstore, I'm not using that. I'm using a fully open educational resource. Part of that decision was because there are people who had a hard time, I don't understand why, but had a hard time getting the program to work or getting the access to work, or they had billing issues. So anyway, in an effort to keep costs down, and so this makes it even cheaper, and to remove that step of accessibility, I'm going with the open educational resource. So one of the downsides is we don't have all the prepared materials from Lumen. However, I think there's some upsides here, some really good upsides. I mean, aside from the accessibility part, it's kind of a static page right now, so bear with me. I want to show you over here in the modules what we have. And coming over, come on, open up. Okay, so, excuse me, maybe I should put this in student view, because we're not going to cover 2.1. If you had me for calculus part 1, calculus 1, we already covered chapter 2, section 1, and chapter 2, section 8. So what I'm trying to get at is I'm using the same book, essentially, that was used in 181, but it doesn't have the extra graphics that Lumen provided. So you still have the book, the actual book that is part of the OER, but and you have, so you can read here, you have learning objectives for the section, reading here, volume by slicing, and then there's videos that they have created, and then there's the homework, and again, learn objectives, what you can read from the book, and the videos that they've put out. Now, the nice thing about these videos that it's for if people have any issues where we need to have captioning, everything is already qualified for captioning, so we don't have to worry about redoing all that. If there's something that you still need help with that these videos don't cover, and that it just isn't clear enough, this is where I come in, of course, and you can let me know, and I can make a supplemental video. I can work problems and so on. These are the same problem sets, though, as you would find for in Lumen. Let me click on the. Here we are with our section, hit start, and these are the same kind of problems as you would have seen in the previous work from Lumen. So that part hasn't changed. What has changed a little bit is the presentation and the accessibility. So Lumen didn't have a lot of videos. In my recollection, I had created all new lesson videos there. I haven't done this here because I don't want to recreate the wheel, but I am happy to make some other videos if it helps to clarify topics further. So if you get stuck, please let me know and we'll work some stuff together. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn on the student view so that we can see what you're going to see. Boom. There we go. So here's how it should appear for you. And you just see there's the material, there's the assignments, sections, and we're covering chapters. And this is something else to clarify. Last semester ended on chapter 7, and this semester begins in chapter 2. So what I want to get across is this person who put this OER course together in what we call My Open Math is she relabeled it. So chapter 6 from the same book, chapter 6 is chapter 1, chapter 7 is chapter 2, chapter you know how that works. So 8 is chapter 4. Did I get that right? 1 is 6. No, 3 is chapter 4, and so on. And so these are again from the same open educational resource book from OpenStax that was created, that is being now used in this course. So just the numbers have been re-indexed for this class. And we're going to be covering, I just put in everything that we're going to cover. And there it goes, through 7.4. And this will get you ready for Calculus 3 if you're going to go take Calculus 3 next. Let me see if there's anything else. We have discussions to cover. I'll talk about that in the syllabus video. I haven't set anything up here, but I will have those set up in a few minutes. So looking forward to this class, looking forward to continuing on this process with you and this journey. So, oh look, there's some due dates, assignments already. So I will point out that our first due date is the first section, 2.2, is due January 24th. And you will have late passes available, and I'm happy to give you more late passes, but just understand the pace of the class. I'm trying to keep us going and moving to completion. Okay, I think that should cover it. I will see you on the syllabus video next. Thanks.